Hi, welcome to Origami Ocean. Today we'll be learning how to do this origami decorative bowl. To make this, I'll be taking 15 cm by 15 cm square sheet of paper and I'll be starting with the plus crease by folding the paper into half. Bring these two sides to the center crease to create the cupboard base. Open the flaps and do the same thing on the other direction. Now turn the paper and bring all the four corners to the center point to create a blind's base. Open the flaps and now bring this side to this crease and make a new small crease. Do the same thing on all the four sides. A short crease is enough in the center. Now flip over the paper, then bring the side to this crease. The same thing on all four sides. All the pre-creasing is done. Now we have to fold it the cupboard base again and open the flaps like this and collapse into windmill base. Now lift this flap and fold it as shown. Repeat the same thing on all four sides. Now open these two flaps and fold this into half like this and fold it as shown. Open these two flaps, fold it into half according to the pre-creases, then fold the side flaps as shown. Repeat the same thing for all the four sides. Now bring this tip down to create a triangle. Now hold these three flaps like this, fold it into half, then continue the crease till you can see the square fold there. Follow the same thing for all four sides. Origami decorative bowl is done. Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe. Don't miss out the videos which will be streaming on every Fridays. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you.